Okay, so let's get started with building your list. And the first thing you have to do is to build a funnel so you can start collecting leads. Now, there are various types of funnels that you can use. You can even uh, create a product and sell it for a low price to get as many leads as you can. But in this video, let's just focus on the type of funnel where you give away a free product so that people will just opt in, will give you their email address, and get onto your list. Okay, so what you need to do first is you could either create your own product that you could bribe people for their email addresses, or you can just use products that have private label rights or PLR or giveaway rights or resale rights. And you could do a quick Google search for these types of products. There's even membership sites and other websites that specialize in offering these products. So it's not too hard to find these products, okay? And although well, I actually do a combination of both. I create my own products and I also use products that have rights, okay? And I think a lot of marketers do that as well. So it's up to you. But I mean, if you're just getting started and you want to test the waters, go ahead and just use a product that has private label rights or giveaway rights. So you're allowed to use those as lead generation magnets. Okay. So once you have your product, you would create a squeeze page. Now there are videos, free videos on YouTube that you could watch that shows you how to create your own squeeze page, and there's also various tools out there. Okay, just to give you an idea of what a squeeze page looks like, here I just went to Google and I just typed in sample squeeze pages. Okay, so they're very simple. Most of them just have a headline and then just an opt-in box. Okay, so it's very simple. You don't have to make it too complicated. A lot of times, it's a simple squeeze pages that convert the best. Okay, now it's not required, but it's good to have upsells in your funnel. Okay, again, if you're lazy, you could skip this. But if you have upsells, and an upsell is where once someone opts in to your list, they submit their email address. What happens next, if you have an upsell, is they're brought to a page that sells them something. Usually, it's a one-time offer, and sometimes it's not. But basically, if you have these upsells in place, you can earn immediate income and scale up quickly. So if you're paying for traffic and you're earning money at the same time, you could use that income to pay for more traffic and scale up a lot faster. Okay. Now, my favorite tool for building funnels is a tool called ClickFunnels. Now, there are a lot of tools out there. There's WordPress-based tools and so on. But this is just my preference. My favorite tool for building funnels is ClickFunnels, and I highly recommend you check them out.